In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the VVT solenoid valves on this Volvo S60. These are going to be located on the top part of the engine. Let's get into it. Using a T30 socket, take these two bolts out. Grab the cover. There's two clips in the front. Pop those clips off and the cover comes off. Now disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. Slide that off. This is the intake VVT solenoid valve. And this one is the exhaust solenoid valve. The procedure is going to be the same for both. Using a 8mm socket, take these bolts out. Grab the valve and pull it up. I'm just going to use a rag just to pat down some of the oil. Now you can use a scraper or a razor blade. Just get under the gasket and just carefully scrape it. Be careful if you're using a razor blade. There we go. And pull that off. And I'll just use the rag, wipe this off. That looks good. Now I'll put the gasket on, get that lined up. And take the valve, get that lined up. Put that in place, get the bolts started. Get those bolts started. And we'll torque these bolts to 7 foot-pounds. I'm just going to cross tighten them, just so it tightens them down evenly. That's good. Take the connector, line it up. You can do the same on the other side. Now I'll put the cover on, line that up. Clip it in place. Take the bolts, get the bolts started. And tighten these down. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.